Ever noticed how Facebook always seems to know exactly what grabs your attention? It's not just luck or chance. It's the product of one of the most sophisticated advertising systems out there. Let me tell you, this is no ordinary ad strategy. Today we're pulling back the curtain on Facebook ads targeting, revealing the powerful algorithms that connect businesses with you, and more importantly, how you can harness this tool to drive your own success. If you want to master Facebook ads like a pro, trust me, you're in the right place. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to target the right people at the right time with the right message. Let's get started. Part 1. The evolution of Facebook ads targeting. Before we get into the nuts and bolts of targeting, let's take a step back and look at how Facebook ads targeting has evolved over the years. What started as simple banner ads back in 2007 has grown into one of the most powerful advertising ecosystems in the world. But what's more impressive is the precision of its targeting, driven by the massive amounts of data Facebook collects. Facebook doesn't just know who you are, it knows your habits, your preferences, your interests. Every like, every share, every scroll contributes to a detailed digital footprint. And this data allows advertisers to get hyper-specific with their targeting. Part 2. Core audience targeting, the foundation. Alright, let's get into the meat of it, Facebook ads targeting options. First, we have core audience targeting. This is where most advertisers start, but even here, there are so many layers. You can target based on demographics, age, gender, location, but the real magic lies in interests and behaviors. Facebook tracks not only what users say they like, but what they actually do online. For example, someone might say they're into fitness, but if they spend all their time watching Netflix, the data knows that. With interests like travel, sports, fashion, or even more niche areas like eco-friendly products or cryptocurrency, you can narrow your audience to a razor-sharp precision. This kind of interest-based targeting is a game changer for businesses because it ensures your ads land in front of people who are already primed to care about your message. But let's not stop here, because Facebook ads targeting has some secret weapons that are even more powerful. Part custom audiences reaching people you already know. Let's talk about custom audiences. This is where Facebook ads take personalization to the next level. Imagine being able to target people who've already engaged with your brand, visited your website, signed up for your email list, or interacted with your app. You can upload a list of your existing customers, and Facebook will match it with users on their platform. You can also create retargeting audiences from people who visited your website or clicked on one of your ads but didn't convert. This is incredibly powerful for boosting your sales funnel, catching those potential customers who showed interest but didn't take the final step. But don't forget about engagement-based audiences. You can create audiences of people who've liked your Facebook page, watched your videos, or clicked on your posts. These are people who've already interacted with your brand, a gold mine of warm leads. Part 4. Lookalike audiences, the hidden superpower. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Lookalike audiences. Ever wish you could find more customers just like your best ones? Well, with lookalike audiences, you can. Lookalike audiences let you reach new people who are similar to your current customers. Facebook analyzes your custom audiences and finds users who share similar traits, same age group, interests, purchasing behaviors, but who haven't yet interacted with your brand. This is your growth hack. By tapping into Facebook's data-driven insights, you can expand your audience significantly without compromising on relevance. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you where your future customers are. Part 5. AI and machine learning, the future of targeting. But here's the twist. Facebook's targeting is no longer static. It's evolving every single day thanks to AI and machine learning. Facebook's algorithms are constantly learning from user behavior, making real-time adjustments to optimize your targeting strategy. For instance, if you run a campaign targeting multiple audience segments, Facebook's algorithm will automatically shift more budget to the audience that's performing the best. It's like having a marketing assistant who's always on the lookout for what's working and what's not. And don't forget about predictive analytics. Facebook's AI can now predict which users are most likely to take action based on their past behavior. The future of Facebook ads targeting isn't just about reaching the right people, it's about doing it smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Part 6. Ethical Considerations, the Power and Responsibility. Now, we can't talk about Facebook ads targeting without addressing the elephant in the room: privacy. The amount of data Facebook collects is both its biggest strength and its greatest challenge. Remember the Cambridge Analytica scandal? It showed the world just how powerful and potentially dangerous this data can be. But in recent years, Facebook has taken steps to ensure more transparency and control over how data is used in advertising. As marketers, it's our responsibility to respect users' privacy while maximizing the effectiveness of our campaigns. This is the balance we need to strike moving forward. So where does this leave us? Facebook ads targeting is evolving every day, becoming more powerful, precise, and yes, a bit more complex. But whether you're running ads for a small business or a global brand, the key remains the same: knowing how to reach the right people at the right time. Mastering Facebook ads targeting will give you the power to scale your business, connect with new customers, and drive meaningful results. And the best part? The tools are already in your hands. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Dreamy Digital for more insights on the future of digital marketing, AI automation, and all things Facebook ads.